In this video, we are going to discuss about the planet Venus. I'm going to state all the 10 unknown facts or unconventional facts about this particular planet Venus, which can really help for you to enhance your knowledge about the particular planet Venus. As we all know that planetary information is really important and it plays very significant role in building your fundamental base of your studies in the field of astrology. If you really want to become a good astrologer, then you should know all the facts, all the figures about all the planets, zodiac signs, about the houses, and all these basic things. So today we are going to start with the planet Venus. Let's start. Welcome back. My name is Gautam, Vedic astrologer for this channel Astroscience, which is my attempt to share the knowledge and information with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon. You can get many interesting videos on astrology, and if you have already missed any of the planetary information, just go to my playlist. I have created a playlist on the channel for planets. In fact, for playlist is there for all the other topics like zodiac signs, astrology, palmistry. So you can just go to the planetary planets playlist and you can watch and get information about all the other planets. Okay, Venus. So what is Venus? What are the 10 unknown facts, or what are the 10 unconventional facts which can really help you to increase the knowledge about this planet Venus? The first and the very important fact for the day is that Venus is associated with medicine or with medical field of a career. Now, what's the reason or what's the logic behind this medicine and Venus is that Shukracharya, which is the god of demons. So we had god of gods who is Lord Indra, and we have god of demons who is Lord Shukracharya. So Shukracharya is connected with Venus because Venus is known as Shukra, and Shukracharya, that's how is connected. So Shukracharya had this knowledge of secret of medicine because this so-called Sanjeevani Vidya was with Shukracharya, and that's how Venus is the significator of medicine, which I can say not 100%, but you can say 40% of the medicine business or any medical or medicine related things fall under this particular planet of Venus. As we all know that Sun is the significator of health, medical or medicine. Of course, it comes under the planet Sun, but when you are analyzing a chart, you can analyze and you can consider Venus as 40% being the medicine or medical related significator. That was the very first and important fact. The second fact for the planet Venus is that Venus can go up to 48 degree ahead of Sun, maximum of 48 degree, and then it comes back because of the Sun's gravitational force going around in the solar system. Venus will get retrograde and come back. The third important fact for the day is Venus can get retrograde for up to 42 days, which is approximately around 6 weeks of time of Venus retrograde. The next important fact is that Venus is also known as a morning star or an evening star. Have you ever seen a brightest star in the sky at the time of dawn, or which is the morning time, or at the time of dusk, which can be just before the sunset? One bright star, that's the planet Venus, because Venus is quite close to it's a neighboring planet next to our mother Earth, and you can analyze, you can gaze this particular planet in the sky. Very beautiful, very bright. That's how this particular planet is known as a morning star or evening star. Comment below and let me know, have you ever seen Venus? Because as they say that if you gaze this planet Venus, it gives you a lot of blessings in terms of it gives you a lot of beauty, a lot of inner beauty, and a lot of blessings from coming in from this particular planet Venus. The next important fact for the planet Venus is that Venus is a planet of sophistication, luxury, beauty, balance. Now, whoever has a great Venus placement in their chart, they will be blessed with a lot of luxury in their life. Luxury will always be there. They will live in a very luxurious space, a luxurious apartment or a house. They will have all the great facilities and sophistications around, always around them. They will also be they will also love to buy luxurious cars. Some people, they love to buy high-end things and expensive items, or while they are shopping they will always go for luxurious things. That's because of this particular planet Venus. Some people, they have a very good taste of fashion, like they would really have they would like to have this fashion sense in terms of they would wear everything in sync, like their dress would go in sync with their footwear, with their accessories. Have you analyzed such people? These people they have very prominent Venus, planet Venus in their chart. And when I talk about balance, a person with a very strong Venus will always live a balanced life of karma. They will love doing socializing. They will love be in a spiritual field. They will be very religious. At the same time, they will also be have a very good business acumen. Now, the business, people with a very good Venus, they love to do business because of the seventh zodiac sign. Now, Venus rules two zodiac signs, which is Taurus, and of course the seventh zodiac sign, which is Libra. Taurus, the earthy sign, is associated with money, wealth, and materialistic gains, and the seventh zodiac sign of Libra is associated with business and socializing and public relations. So that's where a person with a good Venus, they love to balance their relationship, be it personal relationship or be it business relationship or be it a social relationship. They would always love to maintain and go along with people. They are people's person. Venus is people's person, basically. Now, the next fact is that Venus, if a person has a great Venus, and specifically if males, they have great Venus in their chart, they always get very beautiful wife or very good, beautiful girlfriend or relationship in their life. Comment below and let me know if you have great Venus or Venus placed in greater signs. The next fact is that Venus is a strong Venus also indicates a person will be foodie. Person would love to try different types of foods and different cuisines, and specifically the taste of Venus is sour, so they would love to try all the sour snacks and foods. Now let's talk about what are the health issues associated with this particular planet Venus. See, the health issues are quite linked with the eating habits. Because of Venus being more sophisticated, Venus being love, trying to love different cuisines and food, and they are very foodie. Health issues like blood pressure and cholesterol is something which is always hitting in people with weak Venus. So they should always try to maintain their diet, specifically after, you can say, 40 or 42nd birthday onwards. They should control their dietary. They should have a good dietary plans and exercises to avoid blood pressure, cholesterol, and in fact even diabetes. Now, diabetes is associated with Jupiter, but if there is any significance of Venus also coming in, if Venus also becomes the planet of health in your chart, then you have to take care of diabetes. Not in the early stage, but certainly after a older age, you can say after 52 or 55th birthday onwards. Career options under the planet Venus are any creative field, because Venus is the planet of beauty. Venus is also the planet of creativity, and Venus is also planet of love. So all the entertainment or creativity related fields are well suited for this particular planet. Apart from that, event management is also really good. They can strong Venus also significantly says about career fields like chartered accountant. And now you might be surprised why chartered accountant, or why CA or CPA under Venus. Of recently, in the last 2.5 years, I have analyzed a lot of CPAs or CAs having greater Venus placement, or Venus being the planet of their career, D10, which is the Samsara chart. So that's the reason why Venus is linked with CACPS. Venus is also linked with petroleum, oil, natural gas, and chemicals related work and business. So these are all the wonderful creative. Venus can also let you in field like acting, modeling, be it Hollywood or Bollywood industry. So you'll be getting into the film or acting line as a career. The next important fact is that Venus rules two zodiac signs, as I have already said. The second zodiac sign Taurus, the seventh zodiac sign Libra. The color of this planet is white. The direction of this particular planet is southeast. So Venus is very strong in southeast direction. People with strong Venus, they have southeast entrance home usually. As per the Vastu Shastra, the southeast direction is being controlled by the planet Venus. The lucky number for this planet is 6. So if you have a strong Venus, then 6 is your lucky number. Comment below, let me know what is your lucky number, or what is your lucky planet, then we can discuss about the lucky number as per that. That was all about the planet Venus. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and please do like and subscribe and share this video with people who are really want to learn astrology and know more about planets and stuff. Okay, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.